Become a mobile app developer.
Hi guys, it's your boy. I am your son. This is Clear. If this is the first time coming across my YouTube channel, I want you to click the subscribe button. I want you to turn on your notification so we'll be getting more update from my channel. And guys, don't forget this video is very clear. Guys, I discovered a particular platform whereby you can actually create a lot of mobile apps and you get paid by that your particular apps that you create. As long as a lot of people are downloading that particular site, this is a particular app whereby you can a lot of you can download, you can create apps, and also you can create mobile games and put it in Google on Google. So guys, I want you to pay attention from the starting to the end. And guys, don't forget this video that you're about to watch is very clear. Check your screen.
Is modern and preferred. For Android, we can use Java, which is a traditional language, or Kotlin, which is modern and preferred. For cross-platform development, the option depends on the framework or toolkit we use. There are several cross-platform toolkits like React, Kotlin multi-platform, Maui, and a few others. Let's dive into React Native, which was released by Facebook in 2015. This toolkit lets you build mobile apps using which is a popular library for building web user interfaces. Some big names using React Native include Microsoft Office, Skype, and even Facebook itself. That came out in 2017. Flutter uses a programming language called Dart, which takes the best parts of JavaScript, Java, and C#. Some examples of apps built with Flutter are eBay, Alibaba, and Google Pay. It's really powerful and gaining a lot of traction. Now let's talk about Kotlin multi-platform. This is the newest player released by JetBrains, the same company behind tools like IntelliJ, PyCharm, and WebStorm. In my opinion, the best IDE.
Guys, this video is very clear.
Apps like McDonald's, Netflix, and Cash App are built with Kotlin multi-platform. Finally, we have Maui, which
A
stands
lot of apps. Don't forget.
native mobile and desktop apps using C# and .NET. These days, most companies prefer to use multi-platform development to reduce their costs. This means we can rule out native development for now and focus on cross-platform options. Now, which framework is the best? Well, there is no such a thing.
It was released by Facebook Meta AI, Microsoft.
Others with a different opinion. The reality is that neither of these frameworks is perfect. Each has its own problems and quirks that you'll discover once you start building real applications beyond YouTube tutorials. And the reason for that is that they try to support two entirely different platforms at the same time. So which cross-platform solution should you choose? On two things. First, on what languages and technologies you're familiar with. For example, if you're a C#, Maui might be the easier route. If you know web technologies like JavaScript and React, you might want to go for React Native. It's an easier transition from web to mobile development. The other factor is job opportunities. There are often more jobs available for React Native and Flutter. Here you can see the number of open positions for different types of mobile app developers in the US. Now, this is the current situation here and may be different where you live. Maybe there are more job opportunities for a Flutter developer. So I recommend doing your own research rather than taking my or someone else's advice about which route to choose. But realistically, if you're looking for a career in mobile development, you would have to choose between React Native and Flutter. If you have basic web development skills, React Native is a better route. Otherwise, I would recommend Flutter because Dart, which is the programming language that Flutter uses, is a nicer language to work with
Guys,
than
this is a
JavaScript. It's more
particular
modern
app.
and
This is a
doesn't have the
particular
quirks and weird parts you find in
app that you
JavaScript.
can use
So
so you can
decide
use
between
a lot of
JavaScript or
things. So
Dart
guys, I
and
want you to
commit
pay
to a study plan.
attention.
I
Don't
believe if you
forget this
dedicate
particular
3
video
to
is totally
5 hours
like
every day, you can learn the
explaining
essence of
how
either
to
of these
build a
languages in about
website.
2 months. To
And
help
if
you on this
building a
journey, I've
website is
created
one
a
of the
free
best things that
supplementary
can
PDF
actually
that
help
breaks
you in
down the
life
specific
and that
concepts
can
you need to
actually
learn
help
for
me
each
to
skill. It
which
also includes
cross-platform
several
solution.
project ideas
It
to help you
depends on
practice
two
and apply what you have
language
learned.
and
It's a great
technology.
resource to review your progress,
Look at
find
the
gaps in your knowledge,
JavaScript.
and prepare for
If you
interviews.
want
You
to
can
create
find the
a
link in the
website, this is a
description box.
particular
By the way, I have a
time
bunch
for
of
you.
tutorials on this channel and
React
complete
Native,
courses on my
this is a
website if
particular
you're
time for
looking
you.
for
And guys,
structured
don't
learning.
forget,
Again, links are in the description
you have
box.
a lot of
The
job
next thing you need to
opportunity that is
learn
on
is a
this particular
version control
assignment
system
called
like Git.
Flutter.
Git is not a
Flutter is a
programming language.
particular
It's a
job.
tool we use to
React
track
is a
changes
job.
to our
And
code
guys,
and
I'm going to be
collaborate with
covering a
others.
lot of
Git
things. This
and
is
GitHub,
the
which is a platform that
current
hosts Git
situation here.
repositories, are essential for every developer. Now, Git has a ton of features, but you don't need to know them all for everyday use. Think of it like the
Do
80-20
your
rule.
own,
80% of the time,
but
you use
reality.
20% of Git's features. 1 to 2 weeks of practice is enough to get
Choose
up and running. Now, building
React
mobile apps often
Native.
involves working with data
If you have
structures and
basic
implementing
website, guys,
complex
don't forget
algorithms. This
this is
is
a
where a
particular
lot of
site
self
whereby
taught
you can
programmers
use to
struggle
create.
because they
Look
try
at
to
look at
skip
a lot
ahead
of
and learn
JavaScript.
more and more languages and
No
tools
module
without
does
learning
not
the
have
fundamentals of
JavaScript
computer science. Data structures and
language.
algorithms are critical
That
subjects taught to computer science students, and they're often covered in tech interviews, especially at big companies like
So guys,
Apple,
as I
Google.
watch this particular video that is talking about how you can create website and how you can create mobile games and on how you can create apps. And guys, don't forget, as I watch this video, please don't forget hit the subscribe button and do it to turn on your notification so you will see more nice content that will be coming your way. And guys, don't forget this video is clear, share this video.